I love food. So any good taste is something which is inbuilt in me. Like simple flavors, freshness is something I always strive for. That's what made me start this. Every time when I'm scared, I saw something going up. That has kept me moving ahead. I used to work for films. I was a visual effects artist. And then I had taken a sabbatical just to figure out, like, I was tired doing what I was doing. So this was not planned at all. And it was just like, as a hobby from childhood, I used to make some vanilla sponge cakes and chocolate sponge cakes. So when I was free, I just went for 1 day, 2 day classes, and then I started making for myself. And then to friends, then for friends and families. And that's how it started. I have no clue when, how it just happened. See, like Just Bake is a very simple name. So when I started, I was making for friends and family, and then COVID hit, and then there were not a lot of bakeries which were open. So I started making for clients, and then a lot of orders started coming, and I was making from home. Then we grew, and then I moved to a smaller kitchen. I love food. So any good taste is something which is inbuilt in me. So getting a good taste, raw taste, freshness is something I've always looked for. Like simple flavors, freshness is something I always strive for. That's what made me start this. I was very confident when it came to. I was like, no, I'll do it on my own. I'll get the registrations done, and I will go to the officials. And the biggest challenge which I faced was they were not talking to me. And I went there again and again and again, kept asking what needs to be done, what documents I need. Nobody used to answer me. Like, come tomorrow, come after a week. And later on, eventually after 2 months, I got tired and I had to send my husband. And on the first day, they spoke to him. So, still, I feel as a woman, I don't know why they don't want to talk to us. This was the most surprising challenge I had, which I was not expecting. Like there were other challenges, like I don't come from a business background. I have been an artist. So creating a product is something which is my passion, but understanding the maths of it, the calculation, getting into the profits, losses, and all those things have been a big learning curve for me, because that is something very new to me. And rest is all fun. We came to a situation where now we needed more equipments. We needed to hire more people because our team was small. So, it's very quick. Once you get a little bit of funding, then it becomes, otherwise you're struggling with the money point that, okay, now I have to do this. I have to pay salary. I have to get more equipments, which I'm not able to do it. So it becomes easier and faster if you get funding. So you're not delaying the process. It's way faster to just then do what you want to do actually. We started with 11 products 3 years back, and a kitchen of 120 square foot. In 3 years today, we have a kitchen which is a 900 square foot, and we have products more than 15.
Lovely.
So it's been quite amazing. Yes, I have been scared as an entrepreneur to do a lot of things, but every time when I'm scared, I saw something going up. That has kept me moving ahead.